In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a white border to your image, just like the one surrounding the lady right here. Okay, so from the home page on Canva, look on the top right of your screen and click Create a Design. From here, choose what you'd like, but for this video, I'm going to use YouTube thumbnail. Once this screen loads, let's change the background color so we'll actually be able to see the white border on the image that we're going to add later. To do this, click the screen. On the top left, click the little color wheel and make it whatever color you would like. Now we need to add the photo that we want to put the white border on. To do this, go to Uploads on the left side of your screen, click Upload Files, choose what you'd like. It'll pop up down here, and then you can just drag and drop over on the right side of your screen. And it'll pop up just like this. Now it's time to add the white border. Simply click the image. On the top of your screen, click Edit Image. There's going to be a bar that says Search Effects. In here, type Shadows. Once Shadows pops up, click that. Then click Glow. And in the middle of Glow, there's these weird little squiggly lines. Click these. And then set your blur to 0, your transparency to 100, and then your color to white. And there's your border. You could also make it as big as you want or as small as you want. That's up to you. Once you're done, click Apply. And that is how you add a white border to your image. If this video helped you out, let me know by clicking the like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future technology help.